Cat P3 Tower information, Foxtrot time 1453 Zulu.
Okay, so we'll start this again, and had a lot of people ask about the plane and everything, and so this is a 1974 Scottish Aviation Bulldog. It's a Royal Air Force trainer. It was in the Royal Air Force from 1974 to 2002, and it did initial pilot training, formation training, aerobatic training for all the military pilots in the RAF and some of the ROTC squadrons, and it spent most of its time at Royal Air Force Station Church, Fenton. And we're just going to head down south of Atlanta. And just real quick, I don't know if anybody's interested, but I got airspeed, artificial horizon. This tells me what altitude we are. This is my vertical speed indicator. This is my heading, turn coordinator. This is the RPM of the actual engine. This is my fuel flow and manifold pressure. These are all my engine temps. This is my exhaust temp. This is nav radio, fuel tanks, etc. And I've got one GPS, two GPS, and then this is a transponder, nav radio, and comm radio. And then this is all the equipment that works the actual engine. I got throttle, mixture, propeller, magnetos, battery, everything like this. So basically this is what makes the plane work. And this is a stick plane for all the training they used to do in the military. So we're going to just run down to this airport and maybe grab a little lunch and see if I can make a good quick video of this, because I have a lot of people who ask what type of plane it is, etc. So here we go.
Taxiway Charlie, non-movement with taxiway. Taxiway Charlie, non-movement with taxiway Alpha. Work in progress adjacent to all runways and taxiways. Cranes operating in the vicinity of PDK at or below.
Okay, we got magnetos on both batteries up, alternators up, fuel is off, all the lights are off, daylight we're set, that's all set, altimeter is set, that matches, that's coming up, and we are set about 170, we're 210. Desired heading is 190, we got it all set in both GPSs, that's on standby. We're back here for run up, and we've got that all set and ready to go. Alright, so here we go. Pull this forward, it might give you a better view. And Peachtree Ground, experimental 621 Bravo Delta. We're at Northeast Ramps, ready to taxi. We got Foxtrot, and we're going to be VFR to the east.
Number 621 Bravo Delta, Peachtree Ground, runway 21 right, taxi via Bravo Echo, and advise this frequency run up complete. Correction, it'll be Alpha Echo, advise run up complete.
All right, over to 21 right to Alpha Echo, and we'll advise run up complete with you, 1 Bravo Delta.
Cirrus 370 Delta Charlie. Contact tower 1 number 1, 794.
And that was, I was just talking to the ground controllers, so they've cleared me to the run-up area for this particular runway. Air in here. So right now I'm talking to the ground controllers, which are in that big tower right there. And then I'll switch to the tower and some other folks as we take off. Harness, we're going to get a little air before we go. That is closed and locked. Harnesses, yes. Elevator trim is in takeoff position, yes. We're going to go here on the flaps. Rudder trim, mixture, yep, yep. Fuel selector on both, and we're going to go boost pump on. Okay. And 11th or so, we're going to turn in about 20 minutes. All right. All right, flaps are set in the takeoff position. We're both on that. And that is out and on. Flight controls, we're all set and free. Yep, okay. And that is that, and that is that. Okay. And then what we'll do is when we go for takeoff, we're going to go full mixture, and then we'll go transponder. And if we need any lights, but today I think we're okay. So we're set. And then I'm going to get my nav stuff set here. Okay, and we know where we're going. And we are going to go, initially we're going to go east, so we're going to go ahead and climb to 3,500, because we are good 5, 6. We come south and we're 3,500, so this is all parts fields that I got to stay away from. Okay. We're set. And Peach ground, experimental 621 Bravo Delta is run complete 21 right.
Number 621 Bravo Delta, runway 21 right, contact tower, have a safe flight.
All right, over to the tower, 1 Bravo Delta.
November 621 Bravo Delta, Peachtree Tower, wind 210 at 4, left turn to the east approved, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
All right, clear takeoff 21 right in eastbound, turn approved, 1 Bravo Delta. All right, double check one more time. Nobody's landing on this particular runway, and we are clear. And now we're just looking for all the green on my engine temps, and we're looking for good airspeed. All right, we're on. Everything's on. Here we go. All right, so we got full power. I've got all my green here. Airspeed's coming up. Fuel flow's good. All right, flaps coming up. And I got all good green, good green, good green, good green.
November 1 Bravo Delta, say you're on course here.
Oh, just 090, 1 Bravo Delta.
1 Bravo Delta, roger, sir. Be traffic at 12 o'clock, 4 miles, helicopter southwestbound, altitude indicates 2,700 feet.
All right, we're looking, 1 Bravo Delta.
Air Life 2, traffic at 9 o'clock, 4 miles, he'll be eastbound, altitude indicates 1,500 feet and climbing experimental. Air Life 2, look.
All right, so you can see we're just up above the clouds, and we're going to be turning, we're making our way away from Hartsfield, which is down here to my right, kind of behind the plane to the right, so I kind of circle around for Hartsfield. I can't see if they're taking off or landing, which direction, but I'm guessing they're departing to the east, so they're probably up above us. But it gives you a cool little view of the clouds and everything.
Number 2 Juliet Delta, turn left right, Covington.
And we're doing, we're only doing about 150 miles an hour right now. And you can see it here, it's 126, 127 knots, 125 knots.
All right, land approach, Cardinal 177 Juliet Tango.
Cardinal 177 Juliet Tango, Atlanta.
Yeah.
And Peach State traffic, 1 Bravo, experimental 1 Bravo Delta is about 2 miles east of the field, 2,500, maneuvering for a right downwind, 13 Peach State, full stop. And Peach State traffic, experimental 1 Bravo Delta is right downwind, 13 Peach State, full stop. And we just dipped down to take a look. This is the first time I'm in here. This is a grass runway. So let's see what we got. And what's interesting about this, you can see this is a small little grass strip, which is, I gotta be real careful. If I'm not comfortable, I'm gonna go around.
Airfield traffic, helicopter 387 Tango.